ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Panchikaranam, we have been seeing the differences between Bhamati and Vivarana Prasthana, and this came because of the 10th shloka, Tika, line number 12. Atra kechid vachaspati mishra matanusarinah. This is page number 415, 415, line number 12. So it was said that vachaspati matanusarinah, what do they say? Even though Panchikaranam is sampradaya siddham, tathapi yukti vidhuratvat, it is devoid of yukti. Vidhura means devoid of or absent from. And therefore, Trivrit Karanam eva adaraniyam. They accept Trivrit Karanam, not Panchikaranam. Why do they accept in this way? Panchikarana Pakshe Prithivyadi Bhaganam Akasha Vaivoho Praveshe Rupavatvan Mahatvacha Tayosh Chakshushatvam Syat. Panchikarana Pakshe. If you accept Panchikarana, then what will be the problem? That is pointed out. Panchikarana Pakshe. In Akash also there is Panchikaranam. Vayu also there is Panchikaranam. If you accept that, then Prithivyadi Bhagana. Prithvi, up, Tejaha. Fire, water, earth. These three, Prithivyadi Bhaganam, Akasha Vayuvoho Praveshe. They will enter in Akasha and Vayu. Akasha Vayuvoho Praveshe. Prithvi has Rupam or not?
Yes.
Yes, Prithvi has Rupam. In the same way, Jala has Rupam, Teja has Rupam. So they will have Rupa. Apanchikrita Vayu has Rupa or not?
No.
No. Apanchikrita, Akasha and Vayu, there is Rupa Abhava. So there is no Rupam there. But if Prithvi, etc. become part of Panchikrita Akasha, Panchikrita Vayu, then they will have Rupam also. Rupavatvat Chakshushatvam. They will become Chakshusha. I should be able to see Akasha. Which Akasha? Panchikrita or Apanchikrita?
Panchikrita.
Panchikrita. Panchikrita Akasha also I should be able to see. Panchikrita Vayu also I should be able to see. This is what is said by Purvapaksha. But I cannot see Vayu. I cannot see Akasha. Chakshushatva is not there. Therefore, you should not include Prithvi, etc. in Panchikrita Akasha. Therefore, Akasha is devoid of Prithvi, up, Teja. This is one hetu. Somebody may say, even if they are there. Let us say Akasha is Ati Sukshma. Ati Sukshma Vastu does not become Vishaya of Chakshu. Even my eyes, if something is there on floor or in our food also, sometimes some things are there, we don't see what is there. Why? Ati Sukshmatvat. Here it is said, no, Akasha, Vayu, they are Mahat also. Mahatvacha. So, Sukshmatva Hetu will deny Chakshushatva. But they have Mahatva also. Rupavatvat Mahatvacha Chakshushatvam Syat. Tayoho, Kayoho, Vaivoho. Akasha Vaivoho Chakshushatvam Syat. So Purva Paksha is saying that in Panchikrita Akasha, Panchikrita Vayu, Chakshushatva should happen, but it is not there. Therefore, they are not Panchikrita at all. So the question is, do you accept five? Who is asking whom? Vivarana Prasthana person will ask Bhamati Prasthana person, do you accept Pancha Mahabhuta or three Mahabhutas? So they will say Pancha Mahabhuta. But do you accept Panchikaranam? They will say no. Means they say Akasha is as is, Vayu is as is. The other three, they have Trivrit Karanam. This is the idea of Bhamati Darshan, Bhamati Prasthan. Akasha Vayu will remain apanchikrita. Teja up Prithvi will become Trivritkrita. So Panch Mahabhutas are there, but in this way. So now Siddhanti will answer. Yadyapi Akashadi Bhaganam Adhikyat. In Akash, Panchikrita Akasha, Akasha Bhaga is greater, 50%. Other four are 12.5%, 1/8 of the total. Akashadi Bhaganam Adhikyat, Itar Bhaganam cha Swalpatvat, and Itar Bhaga are Swalpa because they are little in comparison to the other half. Adhikena Swalpasya Abhibhutatvat. Whatever is Adhika, by that Swalpa will become Abhibhuta. Abhibhavanam means overpowering. That which is the smaller one will be overpowered by bigger one. Big fish will eat the small fish. This is the rule. So here also Akash will say, because he has 50% majority party, they will decide the rules, etc. All the other four parties are small in numbers. So Akash will say, whatever is my dharma, that will prevail. So Akasha is without Rupa. So even if Prithvi, etc. are included, Akasha will still remain without Rupa. Vayu will still become Arupa only, even after Panchikaranam. Number one. Second, so this portion, I hope so far everything is clear. Now next is Brahma Sutra Uddharanam. Everything is clear so far?
Yes, Swamiji. Yes.
Next part is Vaisheshastu Tadvadas Tadvadaha. This is Brahma Sutra, Dvitiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada, 22nd.
Chaturtha Pada. It is Chaturtha Pada, Swamiji.
It is in Chaturtha Pada. 2422. Okay. Vaisheshattu Tadvadas Tadvadaha. This sutra, so make a correction, 2422. Why do we say it is Chaturtha Pada? Why not Tritiya Pada? because tadvadas tadvadah anuvritti is there at the end. So that shows the adhyaya parisamapti. Twice it is said tadvadas tadvadah. Whenever you repeat something twice, even in sutra, it shows that adhyaya parisamapti, end of the adhyaya. So this is in the Chaturtha Pada, 22nd Sutra. What is said? Why Akasha, Panchikrita Akasha is called Akasha if it has all five? Why Panchikrita Vayu is called Vayu if it has all five of them? So the sutra says Vaisheshyatu Tadvadah. Tadvadah means Tadvadanam. That name, that sanya is given because of Vaisheshya. What is that Vaisheshya? Means Adhikya. The maximum component is of Apanchikrita Akasha, in Panchikrita Akasha. Even though other four are there, therefore it gets the name also Akasha, and also whatever is the quality of Akasha is predominant. Others are there, but Akasha does not accept the qualities from its Karya. Vayu, Teja, Jala, Prithvi. Prithvi being the final Karya, it accepts the qualities from all its Karana. And therefore Prithvi has all Panchaguna. In Prithvi, Panchikrita Prithvi, there is Gandha, there is Rupa, Rasa, Sparsha, Shabda, everything. All are seen. Vaisheshat tu tadvadas tadvadah. Tu Shabda is to refute Purvapaksha. Purvapaksha will say if Panchikrita Mahabhuta has all Mahabhutas, then why that name is given? So it is Vaisheshat. Iti nyayena chakshushatva abhavaha. And because of this, chakshushatva abhava, where Akasha and Vayu. Akasha Vayu chakshushatva abhava. Tarhi Akashadau Prithvyadi Bhaga Kalpana Vyartha. Then Purvapakshi will say, then why you have to say Akashadi have Prithvyadi Bhaga? Might as well. Prithvi is not contributing in any way in Akasha. Bhamati Prasthana will say this way. Prithvi dharmas are not seen in Akasha. Akasha does not become Chakshusha. Then why you have to do this kalpana that Prithvyadi Bhaga is there in Panchikrita Akasha? This kalpana is Vyartha. Why Hetu is given? Tesham Vyavahara Gocharatvat. Tesham means Prithvyadina. This Prithvyadi Vastu does not become Vyavahara Gochara in Panchikrita Akasha. Means they are absent. Whatever is there in them is vetoed out by Akasha, Vayu. They are as good as non-existing. Vyavahara Agochara. So many times this happens. Smaller parties and all, they have no saying. So they are Vyavahar Agochara. So why do you say that they are even existing in Panchikrita Akasha? Siddhanti says, I will tell you. Athapi. This Athapi should be connected with Yadyapi in the Purva Vakya. Huh? Why Shruti Siddhatvat? Because first thing is, Shruti is our pramanam. Shruti Siddhatvat eva kalpyate. We don't want to do this kalpana on our own. Because it is Shruti Siddha, therefore we say this. Shruti Siddhatvat. Iti yadyuchyate tathapi त्रिवृत्करणम एव श्रुति सिद्धम. If you say Shruti Siddhatvat Panchikaranam, Purvapakshi says, Yadi Uchyeta, if you say that, Trivritkaranam is Shruti Siddham. Trivritkaranam is directly given in Chandogya. Tasam Trivritam Ekaikam Karvani iti Shrutehe. Na Panchikaranam tatra Shrutehe. Na Panchikaranam. After that, Swalpaviram. Iti Shrutehe na Panchikaranam. Tatra Shruter Abhavat. Panchikarane, there is in Panchikarana Shrute he Abhavat. In Panchikaranam there is no Shruti. Shruti is only there for Trivrit Karanam. So if you say Shruti is Pramanam, you say we have direct quotation of Trivrit Karanam in Chandogya. Tasam Trivritam Ekaikam Karvani. Each got split into 3. So those who have already studied Chandogya, they know this portion. Others just understand that only 3 tattvas are mentioned there in Chandogya's Shashtha Adhyaya. First, Srishti is of Teja. Tat Tejo Asrajat. Then Up. Then Annam. Tejo Banna Srishti. Na Panchikaranam Tatra Shruter Abhavat iti Ahuhu. Those who say भामती मतानुसारिणः वाचस्पति मिश्र मतानुसारिणः आहुः तत्र आह देर विवरण प्रस्थान आदि विल से दिस इति आहुः तत्ववेदिनः. सो दिस इज गिवन इन द श्लोक दशम श्लोक इन वार्तिक अंतिम चतुर्थ पाद इत्याहुस् तत्ववेदिनः. Tattvavedin, they say this. So who is this Tattvavedi here? Tattvavedina means Bhagavan Vedvyasi and then Bhashyakara. And others also. So see now, support is given through Shruti Smriti Nyaya. Shruti Smriti Nyaya Tattvavedinaha ityartha. Tattvavedina means those who are the knowers of Tattvam Vetti iti Tattvavid. Tattvam Janati, the one who knows Tattva. Te Tattvavedinaha. Shruti Smriti, those who know Shruti Smriti, and Nyaya means Brahma Sutra. Knowers of these. First Shruti is given. Shruti Stavat Atharvane Prithvi Cha Prithvi Matra Cha Ityadina. So this is Prashnopanishad Chaturtha Prashna. Ashtama Mantra 4.8 Prashnopanishad. Prithvi Cha Prithvi Matra Cha. So there it is given Prithvi, Prithvi Matra, Apaha, Apa Matra. So there Vayuhu, Vayu Matra, Akashasya, Akash Matra. So when Matra is given, that is Tan Matra, means Apanchikrita. And Panchikrita is referred by Akasha, Vayu, etc. So both are mentioned in Prashnopanishad, Shruti. Therefore, you have to understand there is Apanchikrita Akasha, there is Panchikrita Akasha. There is Apanchikrita Vayu, there is Panchikrita Vayu, both. Ityadina Sthula Sukshma Bhuta Kathana Prastave Vayuscha Vayumatra Cha Akashascha Akashamatra Cha Iti Tayorapi Sthula Sukshma Bhedam Darshayati. The Bheda is shown, there is a Sthula Vayu, Sukshma Vayu. Sthula Akasha Sukshma means Apanchikrita and Panchikrita. Panchikrita is Sthula, Apanchikrita is Sukshma. Sthula Sukshma Bhedam Darshayati. Darshayati, who is the Karta of Darshayati?
Tattvavedinah. Or
That is Bahuvacha. Shrutihi. Shrutihi Darshayati. श्रुति ही दर्शयति। स्थूलत्वंच पंचीकृतत्वमेव। स्थूल मीन्स पंचीकृत। स्थूलत्वंच पंचीकृतत्वमेव अन्यस्य असंभवात्। There is no other sthula. Sthula here means panchikrita only. So that itself you have to take. Panchikritani bhutani sthulani tyuchyate budhaihi iti uktatvacha. And there is a Vartika also by Sureshwaracharya ji which says Panchikritani bhutani sthulani tyuchyate budhaihi. That we already saw. Now another uddharana is given from Smriti. So we generally don't find Smriti where Panchikaranam etc. is explained, like Bhagavad Gita or Manusmriti. They say in Skanda Purana, Suta Samhitayam, there is a Yajna Vaibhava Khandasya Upari Bhage. Brahma Gita comes. In Skanda Purana, Suta Samhita, Yajna Vaibhava Khanda. Some Khanda means Adhyayas must be there. In that first half, or one of the halves, Brahma Gita is given. So they say, Skanda Purane, Suta Samhitayam, Chaturthasya Yajna Vaibhava Khandasya Upari Bhagi Brahma Gita Su Upanishatsu, and it has 12 chapters. In that, this is included. Panchikritya Shivagnyaya Ityadina. So Panchikaranam word itself is given in Smriti. Panchikritya Shivagnyaya. So Shruti is shown, Smriti is also shown. You know who is Skanda? Who is Skanda? Kartikeya. Skanda is,
Kartikeya.
that in 7th chapter of Chandogya Upanishad, it is mentioned. Skanda means Kartikeya. Otherwise also we know in Purana, but Veda Pramanam I am showing. Further, Nyayascha. Shrutau Trivrit Karanokti Balat. In Shruti, on the strength of Trivrit Karanokti Balat, Atrivrit Kritanam, Sthula Vyavahara Anarhatvam Gamyate. In Shruti, Trivrit Karana is given. So then, whatever is Atrivrit Krit, whatever has not gone through Trivrit Karanam, like Akasha and Vayu, then they will not be available for Sthula Vyavahara. Sthula Vyavahara Anarhatvam. Anarhatvam means Ayogyatvam. Siddhanti, Vivarana Matanusari, what he will say, only if a Vastu, a Mahabhuta, has gone through Sthulatvam, it is available for Vyavahara. So if you say Akasha Vayu, these first two, they have not gone through Trivrit Karanam or Panchikaranam. Only the other three have gone through Trivrit Karanam. The other three should be available for Vyavahara. Cold air should not give cold to us. Hot air should not give us heat. Akasha, Avakasha, Adanam, accommodation should not happen. So if they are available for Vyavahara, means Sthulatva has happened. That is this line. Shrutau Trivrit Karana Ukti Balat Atrivrit Kritanam Sthula Vyavahara Anarhatvam Gamyate. Sthula Vyavahara will not be possible. They will not be yogya for Sthula Vyavahara. Anyatha Taduktehe Vayarthyat. Taduktehe Sthulatva or Vyavaharatva Uktehe Vayarthyat. In other words, a Mahabhuta, if it has not gone through Sthulatva, it is not available for Vyavahara. Therefore, if you say Sukshma Vastu, like Sukshma Akasha, Sukshma Vayu, is directly available for Vyavahara, let us say, then why do you want to say there is Apanchikrita and there is Panchikrita, or Atrivritkrita and Trivritkrita? This Bheda is not needed, just have Sukshma Bhuta and do Vyavahara with that. So there will be Vayarthyam of this Sthula Sukshma Bheda. Tadukter Vayarthyat. Atrivrit Krita Bhuta Karyanam Indriyanam Atindriyatvena. Atrivrit Krita Bhuta Karya Indriya. See, Indriyas, they have not gone through Trivritkaranam. Because we know what is the Upadanam for Indriya according to Vedanta Darshana. Apanchikrita Panchamahabhuta Satvikamsha for Jnanendriya. Apanchikrita Panchamahabhuta Rajasamsha for Karmendriya. So these two are spashta. Even if you say Atrivritkrit, if not say Apanchikrita, Atrivritkrit, Bhutakaryanam, Indriyanam, Indriyas. Can Indriya be known by other Indriya or not?
No.
Atindriya. Indriyas are Atindriya. Indriya cannot be known by other Indriya. But somebody says, oh, my eyes can see my hands, let us say. So eyes are able to see. So what do you say? Indriya is able to see another Indriya. What is the answer? Indriyas, when we say one Indriya is seeing another Indriya, it is actually seeing only Golaka, Indriya Golaka. It is not experiencing Indriya as such. It is not gaining the knowledge of Indriya because Indriya belongs to Sukshma Sharira. So Sukshma Shariratvat na Indriya Grahyatvam. Indriyanam. Indriya cannot be known through Indriya. So Indriyanam Atindriyatvena. This is a wonderful thing. Bhagavan has created Indriya as Atindriya. Spashta Vyavahara Darshanacha. There is Spashta Vyavahara Adarshanam of the Indriya through Indriya because it is Sukshma Bhuta. Sukshma Bhuta Karya. Spashta Vyavahara Darshanacha Trivritkaranam Arthavat iti Vaktavyam. So Trivritkaranam is meaningful. Just as Trivritkaranam is meaningful, so is Panchikaranam. The objective is to make Sukshma into Sthula so that it is available for Vyavahara. If it remains Sukshma, it is not available for Indriya Vyavahara. So he gives that hetu now. Evam Panchikarana bhave. If Panchikaranam is not there, then what problems will come? So this is how we argue. See, first is we are showing in the Anvaya method. Shruti Pramana is there, Smriti Pramana is there. Okay. And Yukti, this is all, Nyaya means Yukti also. Yukti is given, Brahma Sutra also will be quoted. Vyatireka is, if you don't accept, then what will be the problems? That is also shown. So whenever we show any Yukti, this is how we have to show that Shruti Samarthanam is there, Yukti Samarthanam is there, Smriti Samarthanam is there. And if you don't accept, then these problems will happen. Therefore, you must accept. Panchikarana abhave. If you don't accept Panchikarana, Akasha Vayubhyam api spashta avakasha danadi sthula vyavaharo na syat. Iti nyayadeva Panchikaranam angikaryam. This is the other yukti. If you don't accept Panchikarana, then Akasha Vayubhyam, by these two, spashta avakasha danadi sthula vyavaharo nasyat. Akasha would not do this vyavahara, sthula vyavahara, in the form of avakasha danam, means avakasha adanam. It will not accommodate things. It does accommodate things, means it is available for vyavahara, sthula vyavahara. Sthula vyavaharo nasyat. Iti nyayadeva Panchikaranam angikaryam. You must accept Panchikaranam. But in Shruti, there is no Panchikaranam. So now Brahma Sutra is mentioned here. Trivrit Karana Shrutistu Chandogye Bhutatraya Srishti Shrutihi Yatha Panchabhutopalakshanartha Vyadadhikarana Nyayena. Trivrit Karana Shruti, what about that? There is no Panchikarana Shruti. So he says, see, in Chandogya, how many Mahabhuta Srishti is given? 3 Mahabhutas only. Teja, Ab, Anna. Akasha Vayu Srishti is not mentioned. Do you accept that there is Akasha or not? Means Vivrana Prasthanavadi will ask Bhamati. Yes, we accept Akasha. Do you accept Vayu or not? So you'll have to accept. Even if Chandogya Shruti does not say, they accept it. Why? One is Pratyaksha Anubhava is there. Second is Taittiriya Shruti is there. Tasmad Vaya, Tasmad Atmanaha, Akasha Sambhutaha, Akashad Vayu. Then Teja. So Bhutatraya Srishtihi Yatha Panchabhuta Upalakshanartha. The 3 Mahabhutas, their Srishti is Upalakshana for Pancha Mahabhuta. Panchabhuta Upalakshanartha. How do you say? Vyadadhikarana Nyayena. In Brahma Sutra, Dvitiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada, first Adhikarana. Sutra number 1 is Na Vyad. Purvapakshi Sutra. First Sutra is Purvapaksha Sutra. Na Vyad, Ashrutehe. There is no creation of Akasha. Why? There is no Shruti. In Chandogya, it is not mentioned. But you take it as Upalakshana. 3 are mentioned, you understand 5. What is the definition of Upalakshana?
Tad grahyatve sati tad grahakatvam.
Tad grahyatve sati tad itara grahakatvam. This is Upalakshana. So you have to do Grahanam of 3. Plus you have to do Itara Grahanam of the other 2, Akash and Vayu also. This is the role of Upalakshana. So in the same way here also. So in what is given in Vyad Adhikarana? Vyad means Akasha. In this Vyad Adhikarana, what is referred is Akasha should be included in, Akasha and Vayu should be included in Srishti Prakarana. And once you include them, just how whatever you apply for the other 3 Mahabhutas, you have to apply for Akasha Vayu also. So if you say there is Trivrit Karana for 3 Mahabhuta, you will have Panchikaranam for Pancha Mahabhuta. So there are 7 sutras. First sutra in this Adhikarana is Purvavaksha Sutra. After that, all are Siddhanta Sutras. So even Vedavyas ji has explained in detail in Brahma Sutra that you should accept Akasha and Vayu, and then same rule you have to apply that Trivrit Karana is Upalakshana for Panchikaranam. Nyayena, Vyadhikaran Nyayena. Tatha. Trivrit Karana Shruti Rapi Panchikarana Upalakshanartha. In the same way, Trivrit Karana Shruti is also Panchikarana Upalakshanartha. It is Upalakshana Shruti. You have to understand Panchikaranam. But they don't become Chakshusha, Akash and that was the objection raised by the Purva Paksha that Akash and Vayu, they don't have Chakshushatva. If Prithvi is included, Prithvi is Sthula, Prithvi, Up, Teja, they all have Chakshushatva. Chakshushatva pattistu Vaisheshat tu tadvada iti nyayena ardhabhuyastvat eva parihrita iti bhavaha. Ardhabhuya, majority 50% Akasha is achakshusha. So 50% of Akasha and 12.5% of Vayu, they all are achakshusha. The rest 38 and 37.5% is chakshusha. So majority, that is Vaishesha. Vaishesha is the Bahutva. And therefore, Ardhabhujastvad eva parihrita iti bhavaha. Parihrita, parihrita ka you know where I am reading parihrita. Parihriteti bhavaha. So parihrita iti bhavaha. Parihrita ka chakshushatva pattihi. Chakshushatva apatti. This apatti means objection is refuted. Parihritam. In this way, Dashama Vartika is over. See further now. Evam. So, as part of this, we got the opportunity to understand Bhamati Vivran Bhedas also, and you see how much thinking has gone in just to accommodate a small thing called Panchikaranam in Shastra. That in Chandogya Shruti, if something is said, Chandogya is also Pramana, Taittiriya is also Pramana, and how we have to make sure we come to Panch Mahabhutas and Panchikaranam. So all this is the Prakriya. Evam Upodghatataya Srishtim Abhidhaya Nityamukte Atmani Atasminstad Rupatvena Maya Karyatvena Cha Tasya Aropatvam Choktva Idanim Tasya Omkarena Apavada Saukaryaya Aropitasya Krishnasya Traividya Karanartham Panchikrita Ityadi Acharya Vakyam Vyachaste. Evam Upodghata. So all whatever is shown in these 10 shlokas, it is Upodghata, introduction. It is done. Now we want to come to our main topic. So in Upodghata, what is the definition of Upodghata? I had asked you earlier. Upodghata kaha?
चिंतां प्रकृतिसिद्ध्यर्थाम् उपोद्घातं प्रचक्षते.
Chintam prakrita siddhyartham upodghatam prachakshate. This is given in Brahadaranyaka Anandagiri's Tika. This definition is given. Chintam prakrita siddhyartham upodghatam prachakshate. What is upodghata? For my topic, whatever that I want to discuss. For that, I give a relevant, different introduction. That introduction, which is relevant to my main topic, but it is different from my main topic, that is called Upodghata. Prakrita Siddhyartham. Prakrita means whatever is my prakarana for its siddhi. Prakrita Siddhyartham Chintam. Chinta means thinking. That is called Upodghata. So, to give simple example, most of you might have studied Upanishad Shankara Bhashya, at least one or two. The topic of Upanishad is Jiva Brahma Aikya. So, the Prakrita Vishaya is Jiva Brahma Aikya. But the Upodghata will be what, you know? Upodghata will be Jnana Karma Samuchaya Khandanam and Anubandha Chatushtaya Kathanam. I hope you note all these points when you also look into Shastra. Most Upanishad Bhashyas will look like this. Upanishad Vishaya is Jiva Brahma Aikya. And introduction will be Jnana Karma Samuchaya Khandanam and Anubandha Chatushtaya Kathanam. That is called Upodghata. When this much is ready, then you are ready to enter into Upanishad. Not otherwise. So, Upodghatataya Srishtim Abhidhaya. Srishti Kathanam, Srishti Vyakhyanam is done. Having done that, Nityamukte Atmani, in the Nityamukta Atma, Atasmins Tadrupatvena. Atasmins Tadrupam means Adhyasa. What is Adhyasa? Atasmins Tadbuddhihi. Adhyasa. Iti Avochama. Bhashyakar says in Adhyasa Bhashya. This is one definition of Adhyasa. What is the second definition of Adhyasa?
Smritirupaha paratra purvadrishti avabhasaha adhyasaha.
Smriti Rupaha Paratra Purva Drishtavabhasa. This is Adhyasa. Another Mukhya definition is this one given first. Then Atasmin Sadbuddhi is also given. Atasmin Sadrupatvena. In Atma, Maya Karyam is Atasmin Sadrupat. Means it is not there, but it appears. Tasmin Tadrupa is Yathartha Jnanam. Tad Bhavavati Tad Prakaraka Jnanam is Yathartha Jnanam. But Tad Abhavavati Tad Prakaraka Jnanam is Ayathartha. So here also Atasmin Tad Rupa is Ayathartha. In Atma, to recognize Maya Karyam. So somebody says, in Atma, I don't see this world in myself. I see world outside. So I don't have Atasmin Tadrupa problem. No, you have two problems. Neither you know Atma nor you know Adhyasa. Those who know that Atma is all pervading and still they say Jagat is Satyam, they have one problem. Those who take Atma as Deha or Deha Sthaniya and Jagat Satyam, they have two Viparita Bhavana, they have two problems. So we have to work on both. One is Atma is Vyapaka, but at the same time, Jagat is Mithya also. Like Sankhya Darshana, They say Atma is Vibhu, but Prakriti is Satya. So Jagat is also Satyam, Atma is also all pervading, but Nana also, many Atmas are there. So all this is because of not taking Shastra along with proper Yukti, etc. Maya Karyatvena cha tasyaha aropatvam cha uktva. Tasyaha mayayaha. This Maya or Srishte, both you can take. Tasyaha aropatvam. This Srishti is only aropita. Srishte aropatvam cha uktva. Idanim. Now, tasyaha omkarena apavada saukaryaya. Now we want to do apavada, or this adhyaropa is there, or adhyasa is there. I want to eliminate this from my buddhi. So much mahatva I have given. Bhashyakar says, this asti jayate, shabda and pratyaya is only for mudha, for aviveki, mudhanam, avivekinam, natu vivekinam. Why? They do pariksha. Why? If somebody says, ghato mrudat jayate, ghata utpatti is there, says this ghata is only vacharambhanam. So, asti jayate, such pratyayas are only for mudha. This is the apavada prakriya. And how we are going to do here? Omkarena, with the help of Omkara. Apavada saukaryaya aropitasya kritsnasya traividya karanartham. Entire aropita prapancha we are going to divide into three. So you know, according to Mandukya also, entire prapancha, sthula, sukshma, karana prapancha, whatever is there is going to be divided into jagarita prapancha, swapna prapancha and sushupta prapancha in this way. And then in Omkara, Akara, Ukara, Makara, three matras will be mapped to these three, and whatever is beyond this Karya Karana is Turiya. So Krishna Aropitasya Krishnasya Traividya Karanartham Panchikrita Ityadi Acharya Vakyam Vyachaste. So this Acharya Vakyam Panchikrita Panchikritani Ityadini. So we are going to see this Karika tomorrow. We will continue. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Shankaram Shankaracharya
Shankaracharyam Keshavam
Keshavam
Badarayam
Vashyapadau Vande
Suprabhashtam Vande Bhagavantam Punah Punah
Ishvaro
Ishvaro
Gururatmeti
Gururatmeti
Veda
Murti
Vibhagini
Devagini
Omavad Vyaptade
Omavadhyapta Dehaya
Muktaye
Dakshinamurtaye Namaha
Shanti
Om Shanti
Shanti
Shanti